Morning and welcome to my channel. I appreciate you taking the time to see this video. Today I'll be installing a replacement carburetor on my Yardworks 10.5 horsepower 305cc snowthrower snowblower. I bought the machine back in 2006. It's been working fine all these years. Today is November 3rd, 2020. But this fall, I decided to pull it out of storage and, fill up the gas tank and give it a test fire before it snows, just to be prepared. And of course, the carb bowl was flooding with gas. It would just keep pouring gas out of it. So I assumed it was the needle and seat that needed to be replaced. And I took the carb off, dug through it, and of course, under the bowl, it's all plastic internals. I'll show you in the garage the old carb and why it was just not worth doing a rebuild. The rebuild itself, the rebuild kit for that carb was roughly the same price as a replacement carb. So I bought the replacement carb. Did good for 14 years or so, right? 2006, yeah, 14 years. So I'm gonna run into the garage. We are gonna go into the garage, we'll take a look, and I'll show you what I've done, where the old carb is, the new carb, and we'll install it and test fire the old machine. Thanks. So we're gonna go to the garage. There's Gunner. I think you see him. There he is. Guard dog. We're going to the garage. Okay, excuse the mess. Again, I'm still preparing for winter. It's here. Okay, the old carb. Here's the old carb. We'll take a look at it. It's a Briggs Stratton Nicky. There you go. You can see the name Nicky here, I think. Don't know if it's coming through. This is being filmed on my GoPro Hero 8 Black. I just got it yesterday, so I've never really played with it, so I don't know much about it. Hopefully this video works. Here's the model number of the carb. And the bowl. This bowl, underneath the carb, was flooding with gas when I fired it up this spring. Here are the internals, plastic. So the needle is a plastic. The needle is plastic. The needle and seat right here. Yeah, love it. Plastic. Yay, plastic. So this, in combination with here, was it was just flooding through. It being plastic, it's probably not worth the fix or get a rebuild. All the pieces itself were about the price of a rebuild, or as a replacement carb, which is down here again. Messy garage, no room, tires, stuff, everything. Here's where the carb's gonna go. Here's there we go. 305cc. Yardworks. You see that? It's a great machine. I've had this forever. Oh, long time. I'm very happy with it. It works great in the winter. And here's the replacement carb. I'll just put it together, put it on, and do a test fire. And that'll be what we're gonna do today. Get this thing all back together and get it going. Okay. All right, so now we will start this wonderful job. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'll place the one gasket on this side. Why? Because I have it. Why? Because I have it. I assume it's him. Doesn't look very dirty. Oh yeah, first things first. I have to pull off this thing because it won't work for me. I can see it. This little piece here for my throttle because it's not needed. So I'm just going to give it a yank. Ta-da. Now, we shall. And there's nothing in the way. Okay, so go to the back of my curb, even easier. Oh yeah, first things first. Score. Let's get. Okay, now I was hunting for were these. They help me put the curb, attach it to the machine, put them in the safe spot, you know. Come on. Oh, for crying out loud. Cool. Now, I have a really handy dandy 4mm wrench. Bought it years ago for a car that needed it and never really used. I don't know if you can see it. It's not coming into focus. Here. Can I see it? 4mm. So. Not designed for big hands, I tell you. Lovely. Hey, she got a new spark plug as well. Figured, what the hell? I don't think I've ever changed a spark plug on this thing, and I've had it since 2006. So that's a good 14 years on a spark plug. Not bad. And it didn't look too shabby either. I actually pulled it out, and when I changed it, it was okay. So she is back together. Well, okay, almost. Okay. Cool. More truth. Will it run? New carb, new spark plug. Never done it before. Let's give it a shot. Yoki smoky. Thanks for watching. Be the best kind of a-hole. Subscribe to this channel. Thanks, eh?